So guys, welcome back. Today gonna be a different video because we have some problems with the E46, sadly. And it begins with I started to sand it down this rust hole here. You can see, yeah, I have started to sand it down, and yeah, I just wanted to do a repair, and I saw a piece sticking out here, and it was a lot of rust, and I'm worried this is worse than I expect. And I also think the previous owner have just covered it up just to, yeah, fraud the next guy who bought this car. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna remove the side skirt and see how bad this is. I know a guy that can repair this car, but this rust repair probably gonna cost a lot, and you know me, I don't have a lot of money. So this project probably gonna stay up for a while. I don't want to give up on this car because I love this car. So yeah, it's a hard time. So yeah, let's start to work. So this idiot have tried to glue back this in the panel here. That should you not do. You should buy a new list and just put it back on the side skirt. So that's another problem, a small problem. And here, my ladies and gentlemen, they have tried to repair it. So I think we need to buy a new side panel, because this is totally fucked. So that sucks. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna buy a whole new. And it looks like it's, I don't know how it is under here, but yeah, I need a new panel. So we need to add that on the shopping list. I mean, I'm not a rust repair expert, but I know this doesn't look good. It's a hole into the engine bay right there. So that sucks too. Yeah, that's more thing to find, and I haven't even checked the other side yet, so I am super scared. I am totally fucked. So the first side is done. I have finally get rid of the whole side side panel. And now can we actually see the rust hole more clearly. I'm gonna show you. Okay, my camera died again. Let's bring some lights. You can see it's a hole right through and some rust. But overall it looks good. I actually thought there was more up here, but it seems not to be the case this time. So now we're gonna keep going and remove headlights. This for windshield washer, and the other side here, and see if this panel also have a lot of rust. This is a nightmare, really. So yeah, back to the time lapse.
The next day.
So I didn't film this, but I have taken off the other side of the headlights, and I have removed the wind washer tank, and now you can see more clearly how much rust we have here. It doesn't look so bad. They have tried to cover it up, but yeah, it's repairable, of course. So, but this rust we already knew about. So now we're gonna keep removing. First we're gonna take the side skirt, because when we have removed the side skirt we can see behind here if you have any rust there. So first I'm gonna eat before we keep going. See you later.
Losing control, I gotta know who's in control of me. Losing control, I'm gonna explode. Can you bring it back to me? Bring it back to me. Bring it back to me. Bring it back to me.
It's supposed to look like this, so they have just probably broke it, or I don't know. And instead of buying new ones for like $1 each, they just glue it back. Yeah, that's proper laziness.
It's making me feel so weak, feeling like a puppet controlled by some strings. It's killing me 'cause I just can't say what I mean, and everywhere I go is the wrong place to be. I think I should go home, but I don't know where it is. Bring it back to me. Bring it back to me. Bring it back to me. It's making me feel so weak. It's making me feel so weak.
So it's pretty much the same on the other side too. So that is pretty sad. But anyway, it's probably repairable. And we have the side panel was worse on this side. Look how it has just spread from here around everything. So yeah, this is just trash. So we need 2 more side panels now. So that also sucks, but yeah, that's everything for this video. Because yeah, now is the car prepared for the guy who gonna weld it. Because I can't weld, I don't have a welding machine, and I'm not allowed to use it in this garage. So I'm gonna reach out to him, see when I can drop off the car, and hope he gonna do a good job. So don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video. And a pro tip, don't buy a car that's 30 years old. See ya.
I think the girls with their nails done now.